halo time. We cross the ice, so we're gonna put right here. Oh! There you go. There's a lot of ice. Here's what we're gonna make. Halo, halo. We have a makapunos string. We have a jackfruit. And we do have obe. And halo, halo. Okay. Then we have a evaporated milk. That's it. That's all we need. Okay. There you go. That's all we need. We made a halo halo yesterday, so because Alexa is here than Bella, so they want halo halo while they're watching their movie. Now we're in the making of halo halo. Because it's a hot day. Then jackfruit. Jackfruit. And we're gonna put some obe or sweet purple yam. Okay. Need another spoon. It's not really a good lighting, huh? Kasi mas masarap kapag maraming sahog. Wala lang akong lechipla, naubos na. So kando naman. Even though lechipla is optional, then if you want some ice cream, you can do that as well. Maybe them once. Then we're gonna do the makapuno string. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Then we're gonna put some milk in it. Halo, halo. Maybe they want some tawagan nito. Alright. There is our halo, halo. I can do ice cream, so let's see if I have ice cream left. I do have an ice cream. It's a sherbet. Lime. Now let's try it. Oh, they have a ice cream. Diba?